Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, there lived a young inventor named Theo. Theo was known far and wide for his brilliant mind and knack for creating marvelous inventions. His latest creation, a powerful energy coil, had the potential to revolutionize the way electricity was generated and distributed throughout the village. One sunny afternoon, while Theo was busy tinkering with his energy coil in his workshop, a sudden storm swept through the village. Lightning crackled in the sky, and a bolt of electricity struck Theo's workshop, causing chaos and destruction. The energy coil, Theo's pride and joy, was shattered into pieces. Heartbroken but determined, Theo spent days and nights tirelessly working to rebuild his energy coil. He scavenged for rare materials, consulted ancient texts, and sought advice from wise elders in the village. Despite the challenges and setbacks, Theo never gave up. Months passed, and finally, Theo emerged from his workshop with a new and improved energy coil. The villagers gathered around in awe as Theo demonstrated the coil's power, lighting up lamps, powering machinery, and bringing life back to the village.